in a huge hurry. The post office shuts in like 20 minutes. I need to run there and get everything sent and sorted. Hopefully we'll be on time and actually get it done. If not, I'll get my stuff a day late. It's not the end of the world.
Stick it all down as you can. She might want to look careful.
I can't do it, I've got lesbian hands.
Good hands?
Lesbian hands.
What are they?
When you have really short nails. Ah.
I'm heavy, don't fall down the stairs on me. Is that there to catch you?
Nope. It's okay, I'm strong. Hello, Father.
Hello.
Thank you. Oh.
Okay.
Fun morning, one might say. This is everything I'm sending off, so for you guys to actually understand the amount of stuff I'm taking, this is basically all my duvet stuff, my sheets and everything. I've got cutlery and plates and pots and pans. Mum, we need masks, I don't have any. Can't believe we've done this. What is our life? 2.
I've got to be going at 1.
Go, go, go! Well, Mum is currently running into the house, grabbing masks, because plenty of times we've forgotten our masks. We're going to try our best to get all of this post sorted and see if we can get it sent to Germany on a specific day. I am going to Cost-Cutter post office. At one point I was thinking that I could do the DHL thing, because if I'm not there when it's dropped off, they can't give it to me. DHL do, what are they called? Where they literally drop it off in this station and then you use a code and you go and collect it, but all my stuff is way too big to be able to fit in there. So we're going to send the parcels a lot later to make sure that we're going to be in my flat when they deliver. This is the weird situation of just moving from England to Germany. You got the mask. What is that black mask?
That's Dad's.
Looks like a bra.
Oh. He bought it because he needed it one day.
Hello, I just got my hair done and my eyebrows. Help. I don't think I've ever been this red in my entire life. I don't think I've ever had as dark eyebrows as this. I don't know, no. And now I've got to walk home and I need to get this off. Is that just because I can't lift one eyebrow up, or is that just uneven? I'm not awful, to be fair, in the camera. Now that I've taken some of it off. That'll do. Tell me how we're in September and the Christmas calendars are already coming out. What the hell? Why do I really want to buy one right now? The mince pies are out. Oh, they've got a little tea holiday collection. What the hell? This is so cute. Merry Christmas, it's September. Tell me what you are, please. Yeah, it's just tea. Oh. She's jumping. No, it's because I've got toggles on. She wants these. She wants to play. Oh my god, they're fast.
Really? What are you doing up here? Hey? What are you doing up here? I'm chewing a sock.
Oh. Hello, it's the day before heading off to Germany. I'm so excited, but I'm sat on the floor trying to sort out all of the clothes. See, I'm going for 6 months, so I need a solid amount of different types of stuff because I do loads of sport. I'm going to want to go out to restaurants and it's going to be Christmas time. I'm going to need jumpers and cozy stuff, but also, oh, you see my dilemma? Even just things like all the hangers, I'm trying to sort out what bags to take, like this one going around, so then my camera will actually fit in there. Oh, I need to bring lots of masks as well. That's a good reminder. I'm leaving very, very early tomorrow morning, 3 AM, 4 AM. So I've got to make sure every single thing is sorted today, and Grandma's going to pop around and say goodbye to me. So I've not got much time. Wish me luck. It's 4 AM. Let's move to Germany. We've just managed to print off these tickets, but we don't have a clue where to go with what platform. Mum is currently speaking to someone. Really, it should be me doing it all in German, but I can't do it. I can't speak German. At the train station, it looks so much, it's so different compared to England. But it's pretty and I'm excited. There's Mama. We've got the wrong ticket. Oh, have we paid?
No, I think you'll swap it over.
Oh,
This is a regular ticket, is it?
this is a regular ticket.
Or you need.
And that's what we want, isn't it? A regular ticket.
This is the.
We'll do it.
That's the wrong ticket. Currently, we're going to New Heidelberg University.
Okay, here for the fast train, it's leaving 10:53. It goes straight to Heidelberg, arriving by 11:30 already.
Brilliant.
I just need to check how much the upgrade is and how much else.
I've never seen these in my life. What the hell am I looking at? They love their pretzels here, that's for sure.
Oh, look at that.
I don't even know what it is. Croissant. Is it a croissant sandwich?
Something like pastry areas. Cheese, tomato.
Guess we made it to Germany. We are currently waiting for a train that's been delayed, but we're not fully there because we're obviously waiting to get to Heidelberg. But exciting time. When you look though, instead of looking at that, you meant to look at this.
Oh.
It's just my luck that I have not got any 4G, which is great. My whole network a few days ago has completely stopped working, and I need to have a call with them today because I'm not going to be able to do anything. I need Google Maps, I need to know addresses. Just arrived at the Heidelberg station and look how many bikes are here. This is mad. These scooters as well. It's meant to be freaking freezing. It's gorgeous. I'm sweating buckets. I'm buzzing though today because we came a day early because our other flight was cancelled. We've actually got a day to explore Heidelberg, which is fabulous before all the stress and moving in actually happens tomorrow. We're going to drop our things off at a hotel and then we're just going to walk around and see what there is to find. I wish that my 4G was working on my phone so that I could actually check what temperature it is. It's honestly sunbathing weather and it's only, what is it here? 10 minutes past 12. So, might even get hotter.
The castle's up here this way, don't it? So maybe the castle's that long.
Let's see. Whoa! I don't know quite what that is. We've got, we have actually got a balcony, Mum. Oh,
That's nice, isn't it?
yay!
That looks up on the
Wow.
inside. No, how sweet. Oh, we've got a balcony.
I've got a balcony. What's the matter with that then? Oh my god! Okay, so something that I've already learnt whilst being in Heidelberg is that there are bike lanes everywhere. You must not go on them, and there's a small parkway. We learnt that the hard way, but now we know. There are a few things that are quite...
Balcony. Very sweet, sorry, I'm talking.
But yeah, also one thing that's very different is when you're crossing a green man, it constantly beeps. I don't know why, but it's really got to me. I'll show you next time I go past one. Can you hear this noise? Oh. And now we're off to have an explore. We're going to grab some food. I'm going to see if I can get a German bank account set up. There's also a few things I need to do, like I want to buy some deodorant, a water bottle that I'm going to keep. Oh my god, why did that make me jump? Right, we must go.
Is that a Banksy?
Oh yeah.
Is that a Banksy? They're playing volleyball over there, eh?
Where? we've just sat down in our first cute little place. I've got this sweet potato feta salad, it's so nice. And Mum has a onion soup. And what's in your drink?
Apple, ginger, and orange.
And I'm yet to try lavender lemonade. I'm very intrigued.
Oh yeah,
I'll do it now actually.
Well, it's beautiful, isn't it, Ken? Cheers, darling. Here's to you. Starting your uni adventure here.
Oh,
Nice.
it's very subtle. It's almost like a Parma violet.
Yeah.
So these are, they're called something. What are they called? They begin with K. They're basically little mini
Kaiba
pancakes.
smasher.
And again?
Kaiba masher.
No. Little mini pancakes. And this is an apple strudel.
Oh, Kaiser Schmarrn.
Huh.
Kaiser
There we go. Didn't know this existed. I want to try one actually. Oh! Oh, it's not just like a pancake though, it's much softer. That's well nice. Oh. Do you like it? Ew. Ew.
It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Tastes like, doesn't even taste like orange, it just tastes like alcohol.
That's probably why I like it.
For those wondering, this is the place where we're currently at. The food is gorgeous. The way we found this was from walking through the old town, the Outstraat, Old Street, basically. It's a really
the old story.
The old town is just a really sweet place where there are loads and loads of shops, both modern and slightly more sweeter local businesses, lots of bakeries. It's a really lovely place just to walk through because it's so gorgeous with all the gardens and the balconies and the river right by it. So when you come to Heidelberg, it is a definite visit. This is the street and that is the restaurant we literally just went to. And we're going to continue down. Danke. Thank you. No.
Carpaccio, that's it.
That, don't know.
We might be able to do better than this. It's up to you.
Oh. I mean, they have loads of pastas and everything. This is like a proper... If you want Italian, this is a good place to come, I guess.
But I'm in Germany.